Hey, what's up guys? V here. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy Tab A. This is the 10.1 version. I did unbox the 10.5 version. This one's slightly different. It's more of a budget model. You may have seen this one on sale around Black Friday. It was around 150 bucks. I will have a link in the description below. It will show you the current price and everything like that. I'm not sure of it. I think it's around $200-300. I forget. Anyway, so we're going to be taking a look at what's in the box, and let me address the set here that I have set up. This is temporary. I don't have a lot of room or space in my house, so I have to make do. We have the Christmas tree up and everything now, so I think we got that going, so I had to find a different place to shoot at. So anyway, I'm going to swing this around. We're going to take a closer look. I'm going to hit you up on some of the features and what we have in it. So give me 1 second. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so here we go. Galaxy Tab A, let's take a look in the box. I have the tablet, of course. Cables. USB Type-C. There we go. Charging brick. This does not support fast charging. That's the one downside I do see, but there we go. What else we got in here? Looks like we got some, oh, I just ripped it. So there's your SIM ejection tool there. Booklets. I want to take a look at that later on if you purchase it. So, put that to the side. Let's check out the tablet. I got the silver version, so I'm not sure how it's going to look. So, my other version I have, oh, there we go. There, and we got the back here. Fingerprints. So let me run down a little bit of the specs here for you. It has the processor. It's Exynos 7904 octa-core. 5 megapixel front-facing camera, or I'm sorry, yeah, the front camera is 5 megapixel there. Then we got your back camera is 8 megapixels. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Battery capacity is 6,150 milliamp hours. 10.1 inch display. The OS is an Android 9.0 Wi-Fi. And it does have expandable storage up to 400 gigabytes. So you might want to go ahead and try and, I mean, for the price, you might want to try and pick it up. Let me see. So give me a second. I'm going to get this set up. Give me a second. Be right back. All right, have a little bit of power here. So I'm back with this. Turn up the pad right here. Just a little bit of battery. So I got a lot of stuff set up on here now. You know, it's not as snappy as the other one, but I mean, it works. Again, it's budget. So got your Play Store out there, your settings. Connections, Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi version only. Sound notifications. Looks like the typical Android. I won't go through all of these. You know, if you guys want to pick it up, go ahead and take a look at that when you do. But I just wanted to show you the overall layout. It's pretty snappy. I loaded up a quick game. Just check it out. It's one of my son's games I put on here. So let's check it out. And I suck at all these games, so. Oh man. Ooh, all right. So I mean, it looks like it plays pretty smooth. So there you have that. I won't put you through this. Let me back out. So there it is. Galaxy Tab A 10.1. Let me give you a quick comparison. Here's my 10.5 right here. It's my 10.5. See the difference there? It's actually quite a bit of difference. Look at that. As far as screen size goes. There. And the backs, I got the purple on this side. This one has like a finish. You can tell, and this one's like just straight metal. Anyway, so there you go. Galaxy Tab A 10.1. I will have a link in the description again. This is V. I'm out.